Close up, close up.
Too cute. Did you get a badminton? ठीक है.
You know, this is
Too cute.
उससे क्यूट आगे जैसे
Oh, that's so cute.
नाचने नाचते भाषा लगा